Hello, my name is Jun Lee. Cities are becoming less inhabitable due to lack of natural resources, so we need sustainable environments to sustain our ever-growing 8.06 billion people. Cities are being urbanized. Then there will be no place to live and cause further negative problems to the environment. To solve this problem, we can use this machine to prevent it from happening, make the countryside last longer, and save the environment and prevent humanity from extinction. I will tell you in order of the problem, inspiration, functions, design draft, and code, hardware sensors, and then finally the conclusion. Without further ado, let's start. There are substantial problems in today's world. However, one of the major issues is CO2 emissions, which have risen 50% over the past 200 years. Every year, 170 million tons of CO2 are released from waste disposal. In the US alone, roadways accumulate over 51 billion pieces of litter per year. Also, on average, there are 152 pieces of litter for every US resident. There are an estimated 6,729 pieces of litter per roadway mile, which also causes increases in air, soil, and water pollution annually. Annually, trash disposal is vastly increased. The waste management marketplace is worth around $889.6 billion as of 2021. We produce more than we recycle, which is a substantial issue. Although we recycle, the amount of trash being disposed of and thrown into landfills is increasing from day to day. For example, the amount of trash is increased while the amount that we recycle is constantly increasing. This shows us the vast urge to recycle more than we do today. With the world generating over 2.01 million tons of waste a year, in 2023 there will be 344.2 metric tons of trash a year. I felt the need to recycle supplementarily. This is where I got inspiration to build my mechanism. There are discrete functions in my machine. Firstly, when the camera detects the type of the piece of trash, the servo motor turns and sorts the trash according to the color in 3 slots: plastic, metal, and paper. Then it cites the type of trash from the speaker. Also, the type of trash projected on the LED matrix. These are all the discrete functions of my machine. Also, we need these hardware sensors: 1 halo code, 1 speaker, 1 LED matrix, and 3 servo motors, and 3 servo drivers for the mechanism to be fully functional. Now I will explain the codes. When the space key is pressed in the sprite section, depending on the type of trash, the camera detects the type, sending a message to the devices section. And then the speaker cites the type of trash. The 3 types of trash are coded with machine learning. Then they are sorted into 3 indifferent groups. The speaker cites the type of trash. The servo motor sorts the type of trash. Then the type of trash is projected on the LED matrix on display. This machine is easily capable of sorting 3 types of trash: plastic, metal, and paper, which can be sorted through these 3 servo motors and 3 servo drivers which power them, which can be detected once the camera of this computer detects the type of trash according to its color.
Plastic, metal, paper.
In conclusion, this system can effectively help solve climate change by classifying trash into 3 groups: plastic, metal, and paper. As a result, it reduces the amount of waste that is disposed of. This is how this mechanism can help create more sustainable cities and communities. I learned during this experience that we need to substantially curtail the amount of waste we dispose of day to day. Thank you for listening to my presentation.